everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm going to discuss the Enjin coin price prediction. What's going on in this time in Enjin coin? And you know what, I have good news for all Enjin coin holders. So wait, I will talk you the good news of the Enjin coin. But before starting this video, please I request everyone to click the subscribe button and also like this video. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about your cryptocurrencies market. So that's why subscribe now, my friends. My friends, personally at this time I am feeling very good and I'm very happy to see the positive change occur in the Enjin coin. The price of Enjin coin is going to increase 0.99% positive changes occur in the Enjin coin. So I'm very happy and I'm feeling satisfied about the Enjin coin. So the last 24 hours pricing is positive 0.99%. Saying now the current price, you know what, Enjin coin are going to hit a $1 dollar. 0.94 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Enjin coin in absolutely tomorrow or tonight. Tonight possibilities for the Enjin coin to hit a $1 dollar. Possibilities, my friends, we can't say about the future. Maybe the price further more falls down, but my prediction tells us that there is a possibility the price is going to increase and you will get profit from an Enjin coin. My friends, from price chart of the Enjin coin, that's clear that the previous time is very paid time of the Enjin coin, but that's good news for all of you that you can see here. It's sometime the Enjin coin start pumping, you can see here, and now again falls down. Now this time they again start pumping, and I hope it is time they start a permanent pump and they will continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, how do you feel about Enjin coin? What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Please also share on the comment box and don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates videos.